How's it going? This is Coach Tom from the Herba Coach, and in this video I'm gonna talk about the Herbalife spoon. So this spoon comes within the starter kit that has the Herbalife shaker and the spoon. And this spoon is very useful because it has the exact measurements for the key products from the Herbalife line. And we're getting loads of questions from our customers on how to use this spoon properly. So this video will cover everything you need to know. So first of all, the spoon has 4 different sides. You have a tablespoon, which is the biggest side. Then you have a teaspoon, half a teaspoon, and quarter of a teaspoon. The tablespoon is super useful if you have a Formula 1 shake or PDM, which I have right here. So any of these products, you want to do 2 spoons of each. So you would do 2 spoons of Formula 1 shake and then 2 scoops of the PDM. If you're just using Formula 1 shake, you would do 2 scoops of Formula 1. And that's the biggest spoon. Just make sure it's leveled and you are ready to go. If we flip it over, we have the teaspoon, which is great for the PPP or personalized protein powder. 1 teaspoon will give you exactly 1 serving. So if you're using PPP, this is your side. And coming over to this side, it's amazing for the Herbalife tea, the fat burning tea that everyone loves. So 1 serving of Herbalife tea is half a teaspoon. So you would use the bigger side and combine it with 250 milliliters of hot or cold water. If you would like to have a smaller tea, or you for some reason want to make your tea a little bit weaker, then you could use the smaller spoon, which is a quarter of a teaspoon, and it will give you exactly half of serving of the Herbalife tea. And that's about it. There's nothing much into it. It's just a spoon, but it's an amazing tool on your Herbalife journey to make your life just so much easier. If you would like to get this spoon, you can do so at theherbacoach.co.uk. And if you have any questions, as always, drop them down in the comment section and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. I've been Coach Tom from the Herba Coach. Have an amazing day and I will see you in the next video.